so blessed to be part of this retreat with Yoga Beyond Borders and Kat. When I found out that Kat was hosting this retreat, I basically glided home that day, knowing that I was going to get to spend a whole week in Thailand on the beach with Kat.
I loved getting to know a little bit more about my body and how it moves with the poses, as well as giving myself the opportunity to still my mind and really take that look internally. It was a great opportunity just to be kind to myself and discover myself a little bit more as well. Thank you, Kat.
So the blend of philosophy into the mix was perfect. Plenty of activities to do, stand-up paddleboard, kayaking.
I really loved the retreat I did with Kat because it was very holistic in her approach to teaching. So the physical aspect, the asanas, the practice, but also the knowledge on what is yoga, the meditation, the breathing techniques. So it felt like a whole universe on this week. It was fantastic and really balanced.
I feel like every time I sit down on the mat with Kat's instruction, I am led with this huge transmission of love. And on top of that, she's so skillful at what she does. She's really a master.
Also giving so much attention, care and love. And we all felt, I'm speaking for myself, but for everyone else, we all felt that it's incredible and we want more of that. So Kat, please do another one, continue, and we will be there.
I'm so excited for the next retreat. I will definitely be on my mat, hopefully somewhere near the sand. Thank you, Kat.